Yes, someone is at the door.
But we aren't expecting anyone.
I'll go and see who it is.
I'll go and...
Good morning, George.
Good morning, Margaret. Breakfast looks wonderful.
Who could be visiting us this early?
I'll go and find out.
Do you think it's our neighbor?
I'm not sure. It's too early.
Please be careful.
Don't worry. I'll be right back. That's strange. There's no one here.
Then who rang the doorbell?
Wait. Look at the floor.
Is that an envelope?
It's addressed to both of us.
But there's no sender's name.
That's very unusual.
Let's take it inside before we open it. Should we open it now?
I'm not sure. It feels important.
Maybe it's good news.
Let's find out together.
What does it say?
Just a moment, let me read it.
You look surprised.
I wasn't expecting this.
Please don't keep me waiting.
This letter says we've been selected.
Selected for what?
Something truly unexpected.
What if this is a scam?
We shouldn't trust it too quickly.
Let's check the company online.
That's the safest thing to do.
The website looks professional.
Yes, but I still want to be certain.
Are you going to call them?
Yes. Let's confirm everything.
Good morning, Sunshine Travel Agency. How may I help you?
Good morning. I received a vacation letter today, and I'd like to confirm if it's genuine.
Certainly, sir. May I have your reference?
Of course. Let me read it to you. The reference number is GT47291.
Thank you, sir. Please give me a moment while I check our records. I hope everything matches.
So do I.
Thank you for waiting, Mr. George. I've confirmed your reference number in our system. What did they say?
They found our reservation.
Your vacation package is completely genuine.
That's wonderful news. Thank you so much.
So, we're really going?
Yes, our vacation is officially confirmed.
Oh, George, look at the date.
Our trip is only 2 days away.
We haven't packed a single suitcase.
Then we'd better start today.
We should pack only what we really need.
You're right. We don't want heavy luggage.
I'll bring comfortable clothes for the trip.
And I'll pack the travel essentials.
George, I can't find our passports.
What? They should be in the travel holder.
I've checked it twice.
Let's stay calm and search together. They're not in this drawer.
Have we looked in the study room?
Not yet. Let's check there.
I hope we find them soon.
I've checked every drawer.
Wait, I think I found something.
Is it the passports?
No, it's only our old travel photos. Maybe they're inside that box.
I hope you're right.
Open it carefully.
Let's see what's inside. I found them!
Oh, what a relief.
They were in the keepsake box all along.
Now our vacation can finally happen. We forgot something important.
What did we forget?
We haven't booked a taxi to the airport.
You're right. I'll book one right now. The taxi is available.
That's wonderful. What time will it arrive?
It will be here at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Now I can finally relax.
We should get some sleep. The alarm is set for 5 o'clock.
Perfect. We won't be late.
Everything is finally ready.
I can't wait for tomorrow. Breakfast is ready.
Thank you. We have just enough time.
Did you check everything?
Yes.
Passports, tickets, wallet, and keys are all here. That must be our taxi.
Good morning. Are you Mr. George?
Yes, that's me.
Thank you for arriving on time.
My pleasure. Let me help you with your luggage.
Oh, here they are.
They were in your pocket all along.
I can't believe I forgot.
Now let's go before we're late.
I hope you're excited for your trip.
We've been looking forward to it for a long time.
It already feels like an adventure.
We'll be at the airport in about 30 minutes.
Why have we stopped?
There's some road construction ahead.
I hope we won't be delayed.
It should only take a few minutes.
You may go ahead now. Have a safe trip.
Thank you.
That's a relief.
Now we'll reach the airport on time.
Here we are. Have a wonderful trip.
Thank you for the safe ride.
The airport is even bigger than I imagined.
Come on, our adventure begins here.
Oh, wow.
Hello, we quite klein show.
We did with Mun.
So we do have to quit comedy.
Welcome. How may I help you today?
We're checking in for our flight.
Certainly. May I have your pass and booking confirmation, please? Of course. Here they are. Just one moment, please. Everything is confirmed. Here are your boarding passes.
Thank you very much.
That's wonderful. Your boarding gate is gate 12. Have a pleasant journey.
Our next stop is security.
I can't believe our adventure is finally beginning.
And the best moments are still ahead. I wonder what our first flight will be like. Let's find out together.